PFI के खिलाफ जो रेड्स और अरेस्ट हुए हैं अक्रॉस द कंट्री, हाउ कैन यू register FIR under such sections without any evidence of a crime? If you see that FIR which has been registered in KGLD police station against PFI, so why is PFI being targeted for something like this?
On the basis of that, you've gone about arresting people, you've gone about conducting these raids. This has to be seen as an attack on democracy, and this is something that we have to all stand up against. See, this attack, this arrests and these raids that we have seen across the country, we have to see this as another way in which the government is misusing the state agencies, state power to target people. And this is another, we have to see this as an assault on democracy itself, because if you look at the FIR on the which has been registered, there is no crime that is stated. It is based on assumptions, it's based on surmises. It has absolutely no crime mentioned there. On the basis of that, you've gone about arresting people, you've gone about conducting these raids. This has to be seen as an attack on democracy, and this is something that we have to all stand up against. In fact, we must remember that even when Simi was banned, so many people were arrested, so many people spent so many years in jail, and then they were all acquitted. So that's another thing that we are seeing now, and this is absolutely something that we cannot accept, and we have to condemn such a raid and attack and raid and arrests. I think we have to view this as an attack on democracy. We have to view this as an assault on democratic rights. We have to view this as an assault on the constitutional values, as an abuse of state power, and we all have to condemn this. There's no two ways about the fact that this is an abuse of state power and it must be condemned.
PFI के खिलाफ जो रेड्स और अरेस्ट हुए हैं अक्रॉस द कंट्री, ये एक्चुअली ठीक नहीं है. एक्चुअली केंद्र सरकार क्या कर रहा है पिछले बहुत साल से, जो सरकार के खिलाफ बात कर रहा है, जो सरकार का पॉलिसीज़ को क्वेश्चन कर रहा है, उसके ऊपर ED और NIA और सबको मिसयूज़ कर रहा है. और जब PFI के रेड के बारे में बात करेंगे तो ये रेड सितंबर 22 हुआ है. ED, NIA और स्टेट पुलिस. कर्नाटका में क्या हुआ, सितंबर 21 नाइट को एक FIR रजिस्टर हुआ है. उसमें लिखा है कि स्टेट इंटेलिजेंस डिपार्टमेंट में एक ऑफिसर को द FIR सेज दिस ऑफिसर गॉट क्रेडिबल इंफॉर्मेशन दैट PFI इज प्लानिंग अ कॉन्स्पिरेसी टू incite hatred among Muslim youth and divide the country on religious lines. How is it that on 21st evening he got information, 22nd these raids happened all over the country? So this all seem, and if you see that FIR, there are very serious sections, like section on waging war. There's 120, 121B, 121A, 120B, etc. There are very serious sections on waging war against the country, etc. How can you register FIR under such sections without any evidence of a crime? If you see that FIR which has been registered in KGLD police station against PFI, there is no crime, there is no offense which is over there. So all this shows that that ये सब इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो सरकार का पॉलिसीज़ को क्वेश्चन कर रहा है. और हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में एक रिपोर्ट आया है जिसमें NIA ऑफिशियल्स ने बोला है कि PFI is indulging in very dangerous activities like working with Dalit groups, questioning police atrocities, questioning violence, questioning UAPA. Why should we not question UAPA, and why should we not question police atrocities? And is it wrong to work with Dalit groups? So why is PFI being targeted for something like this? It's just a continuous pattern. If you see from Bhima Koregaon also, like various activists have been booked, not just here, but even if you see the Delhi program also, there are various activists who are booked. So people who are raising their voice have been booked, and especially Muslim communities being targeted. This attack on PFI should be seen as a continuing form of Islamophobia from the central government.
अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन भी प्रेस करें ताकि खबरें आप तक बर वक्त पहुंच सकें. मजीद अपडेट्स के लिए आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है.